dude over here. What is he doing? He ain't like he's trying to get smart. You can push him down the hill and he still couldn't figure out how to get to the bottom. Alright, so you see here we got the Jeep. We got this Jeep back in here. He's very happy with everything we've done, so it's getting some more stuff. We're putting on some vent guards, and we're going to put on a like a pedal commander or something deal. Let's see if I can get this box open here. Alright, so anyway, it's got this little display, plugs into the throttle pedal, and it's supposed to help with the response of something. It's got like 3 different settings on it or something. I don't know really the whole deal with it, but we're gonna put it in. And then this light right here, sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. It does have a broke wire in there, so we're gonna get in there and see what that wire is supposed to go to. And then these lights work, these lights don't. So we're gonna tie these lights into these lights. So we got a little bit to do on this thing today. We'll get the vent visors on, and we'll get everything on it done today, so it'll be ready to go today. But anyway, yeah, let's get to it. He was talking about, y'all remember whenever we done this Jeep, these things here, so at the back like that, like he was talking about, because he's left-handed, so he felt like it should be up here. I looked it up before I put these on. This is the way they're supposed to go, and the reason why is because if you put them this way, where they curve down here, they come right beside your head. You wouldn't want that when you're driving. So I explained that to him. He said he's gonna leave him there. I told him I would switch them if he wanted me to switch them. Totally up to him, but he's gonna leave them after I explain that to him, because obviously you don't want to hit your head whenever you're driving. So let's get those few things on. Hey! Let's get these few things on and get these lights working. Figure out what's going on with that light. Get this guy out of here and let him get his Jeep back. So let's get to it. Alright, so I didn't film 100% of everything we've done, obviously, but we got these vent visors on. So we kind of got them leveled up. Got them on both sides. And then we got this light working. It just had a broke wire. And we wired those in to these lights. So all these work. I'll turn them on in just a second so y'all can see them. Obviously, put the vent visors on over here. And then this is a pretty Jeep. This thing has a pedal commander in it now. How do I say pedal commander? Pedal controller. So you can turn it on and you got like 3, 4 different settings, or you can just turn it completely off. And then, yeah, so I didn't know this on Jeep, but you turn that on to get your fog lights to come on. So, and your park lights, evidently. I guess the park lights come on with it. So we wired those in to work with those. So that'll work together. And then of course you can see we fixed that light there. And so I know why this one would work sometimes and not work sometimes, and I know why now. The signal light wire was still connected, so the signal light part of it still worked, but the park light part of it didn't. So when you would hit the button to set your alarm, it would flash. So that's why I thought sometimes it was working, sometimes it wasn't, I guess. So anyway, we got that stuff wired in. And then that bar works too. Y'all seen that bar before, but I'll turn it on so y'all can see. I put it on a toggle switch right here for that bar. But we shouldn't have no problem seeing nothing anymore now. So that's what we've done to this thing today. It's finished up. Got everything hooked up on it, good to go. So we'll get a hold of him, see when he wants to come get it. Yeah, what y'all think? If y'all were in our area, County Line Automotive, hit us up. We can get you some stuff put on for you. So that's it on that one. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Like, share, subscribe. See you.